If you're looking for that new car smell without the new car price, this one's for you. Check out this 2025 Nissan Sentra SV. Absolutely beautiful vehicle, crazy low miles, just like new, loaded with equipment. Around back, rear park assist sensors. Backup camera. Good looking alloy wheels with a great set of hand-cooked tires. Ample room for your rear seat passengers. They also have access to a rear USB charging port. It's gun metallic with charcoal interior, color keyed door handles, and color keyed mirror caps. Just as clean inside as it is out. Forward collision sensor integrated right in the middle of the grille. It's equipped with passive keyless entry. Bucket seats, embroidered floor mats, illuminated kick plates, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, blind spot warning that also comes with rear cross traffic alert. Automatic headlights, auto dimming high beam headlights, tilt and telescopic steering wheel. In the wheel, you've got audio controls, trip computer functions, intelligent radar cruise, and Bluetooth. Here's the best part. Only 1,400 well cared for, one owner miles. Touchscreen radio, AM, FM, XM satellite, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Backup camera. Dual zone climate control, part of your all-weather package. Heated seats, driver and passenger. Even has a heated steering wheel. USB ports with an auxiliary audio jack. 12-volt outlet, push-button start, console shifter. Keyless entry key fob, including remote start and trunk release, factory owner's manual, and Carfax vehicle history report. If you'd like to know more about this 2025 Nissan Sentra SV, please give us a call, 334-283-6823. It's time you experience the Parker difference. Thanks for watching.